Hi, I'm Luna, and this is Kiko. Have you ever walked past an amazing smelling restaurant, but kept walking because you had no idea how to order in Mandarin? We've all been there. Mandarin grammar is surprisingly logical. Think of it like playing with language Legos. To build a basic sentence, you just need 3 distinct blocks that snap together: a subject, an action, and an object. To make progress quickly, avoid memorizing individual vocabulary words on their own. Instead, learn these blocks together as a single connected chunk. It's much easier to remember a complete, useful pattern. Take the most important question of the day. If you want to ask someone, "What do you want to eat?" those 3 blocks form the phrase, 你想吃什么? Viewing Mandarin as a series of interchangeable blocks removes the pressure of starting every sentence from zero. These preset frames provide a clear, manageable path forward for any beginner. This diagram shows how you answer that question. You use the frame 我想吃, which translates to I want to eat. Notice that the last block is empty, waiting for you to choose your food. Before we fill that blank, say the base frame out loud with me, 我想吃. Repeating this helps build the muscle memory you need to make these sounds automatically. Now, let's complete the thought. If you want rice, you slide the word 米饭 right into that open slot. 我想吃米饭. I want to eat rice. If you're in the mood for noodles, you simply swap the pieces. The rice block comes out, and the word for noodles, 面, clicks right in. 我想吃面. This is a highly effective way to learn. Instead of memorizing 100 random words, master a few core frames like I want to eat. Once you have the frame down, every new food word becomes a perfectly structured sentence. By learning that single 3-block pattern, you are equipped to order dozens of different meals based on whatever you're craving that day. Look what happens to our diagram when we pivot to drinks. We keep the subject, but we swap the action block from eat to drink, which is 喝. 我想喝 leaves a new empty slot at the end. If you want tea, you drop in 茶. 我想喝茶. And if you want milk tea, you slide in 奶茶. 我想喝奶茶. Don't worry about getting every tone perfectly right yet. In a restaurant, if you say the phrase for I want to drink while pointing at a menu, the staff will understand you. Context handles the communication. Let's look at one more diagram for when a waiter arrives. You can use a more formal frame, 我要一饭, which means I want one portion of. Add 炒饭 and you get 我要一份炒饭. I'd like one portion of fried rice. Small adjustments to your blocks change the situation from casually telling a friend what you want to clearly placing an order with a server. Let's see this in action.
Listen to Luna and Kiko in a realistic cafe setting, using the modular frames we just covered. Luna starts, 你想吃什么? And Kiko answers, 我想吃面. Then Luna follows up, 你想喝什么? And Kiko replies, 我想喝水, which is the word for water. Notice how you followed the logic of that interaction without needing an English translation. By recognizing the repeating frames lighting up on screen, you try practicing them during your day. The next time you sit down for a meal, ask yourself, 你想吃什么? Speaking a language is about taking action. Use these blocks right now. Tell us in the comments what your favorite food is, starting with the frame 我想吃. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.